you all are good. Students, British rule and its implication on our education system is a very important topic. So today I'm going to explain you about the education and British rule in India.
The British brought a rather modern and logic-based education system that led to the evolution in the thinking of the people and helped ban a lot of social evils in India. These changes have helped shape the modern Indian education. The Charter Act of 1813 was the first step towards education being made an objective of the government. The Act sanctioned a sum of rupees 1 lakh towards the education of Indians in British ruled in India. However, this Act had failed. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he was known as the maker of modern India, multifaceted social, religious and educational reformer. He is renowned for his pioneer role in education. The missionaries indirectly brought good results to the natives. They sought the help to the native teachers to teach in the schools founded by them, in which they also taught under their able guidance. Introduced in 1854 by Charles Wood, this document covered a complete plan for spread of education in India. It has so many practical benefits with the Western education. It enables the Indians to recognize in the importance of expansion of trade and commerce. People who receive Western education will be dependent on the British for jobs. It would introduce them to the Western education. This is a pattern of the British school system. They've started with the creche, nursery, primary, secondary, and then preparing for the universities and colleges. But there are few weaknesses in this system. It is very stubborn, that is inflexible. They saw taking U-turn, it was a sign of weakness, and felt people would think less of her if she went back on a policy. So, studying Western education brought many Indians in touch with the writings of some of the great thinkers and become the philosophers.
I hope with the help of this video, you are able to understand the growth of national education and the importance of education. Thank you for watching me.